Alexa, start Morse Coder.
Welcome to Morse Coder. Let me encode, spell or exercise you some Morse code.
Encode Anastasia.
Morse code of Anastasia is as follows. Do you want me to encode another name?
Spell Alexa.
A L E X A. Alexa, do you want me to spell another name?
Start exercise.
Listen. What's the answer?
Days.
Brilliant. Your answer is correct. Score is 4. Do you want to continue with another code?
Sure.
Attention. Tell me what you heard.
Brand.
Excellent. You nailed it. Your current score is 9. Do you want to go on with the next code?
Go on.
Listen closely. What does this code mean?
Bright.
Great. Answer is right. Current score is 15. Do you want the next Morse code?
Go on.
Attention. Well,
Repeat.
listen up. What's the word?
The word is million.
Excellent. You nailed it. Your current score is 22. Go on with next code.
No.
You made 5 attempts to solve 4 out of 4 Morse codes. That's a final score of 22.